Hey guys, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this lovely buns. I call it golden buns, some call it French buns, some call it cake buns. This is the best buns ever. Any person, anybody, any mother, any father can make this. I mean it. Okay, just a simple ingredients. You just need 500 grams of flour. If you don't have scale, you can use your cup and measure 4.5 leveled cup. When I mean leveled cup of butter, and you add in your baking powder. You need half tablespoon of baking powder, and you set it aside. You also need a pinch of salt also. The butter, you need 125 grams of butter. That is what you need for this 25 grams of butter. That is it. I'm making it so easy because sometimes when I arrange all the recipes, it looks like as if it's so big or it's so serious. So right now, I told you it's baking powder. That's half tablespoon and a pinch of salt, just a little salt. You can use any milk of your choice. Either you go for evaporated. This is cinnamon, so I'm using cinnamon, or you can also use nutmeg if you don't see cinnamon. Yeah, I'm using a tablespoon of cinnamon. So you can use evaporated milk. You can also use fresh milk. I have evaporated milk, but it's not up to 1.5 cup. For this particular recipe, 500 grams of flour, I need 1.5 cup of liquid. That liquid is just milk I'm using. This evaporated milk, I'm using fresh. You can use only fresh milk, and you can use only evaporated milk. I'm using fresh milk to make it up to 1.5 cup. And again, if you don't want to use all this, you can get 1.5 cup of water and dissolve your milk, powdered milk. Anyway, but the main thing, the liquid needed is 1.5 cup. So I poured out my flour, wanting to use the same bowl and mix my butter. So I microwaved the butter a little because I brought it out from the fridge for easy mixing. So the sugar, I need 6 tablespoons. I don't know what happened. My tablespoon is not in my spoon distance. So I decided to use half tablespoon and measure up to 12. So all you need to is to whisk as if you're baking cake. Please, there is no time duration. Just mix that butter very well for me, and you add 6 tablespoons of sugar. Yes, 6 leveled, not full spoon, leveled spoons. I'm using half tablespoon. That is why I'm putting 12. Yes, I put 12. Please, I'm using half tablespoon there. So for your own measurement, use 6 tablespoon, leveled tablespoon. That is all. Just crack 2 eggs and pour for me there. That is all. I'm making it very easy today. So don't come and say it looks so serious. It's not serious today. So I'm making it to tell you that you can do this before 15 minutes. These buns will be ready. And this is the best buns ever. I've made up so many buns, different buns in the past, but I can vividly tell you this is the best buns you will want to try. So immediately you do that, you start putting your flour. This flour comprises, you still remember, baking powder, salt, cinnamon. So with a little of the wet and dry ingredients, just the way we mix cake, you incorporate everything together, and that is all. Take your time to mix, get that oil ready for me, and you use your hand. Go inside and beat the batter to look so thick and drawing. So that is all you need to know. This is very easy. In 15 minutes, you can make this bun, and I assure you, this is the best you have ever tasted. If you have not tried this bun, you have to try it this time around. So I washed my hand, dried, and I started beating this batter to get it a little bit lighter. See, the more you beat it, you incorporate more air to your batter. So I believe you got all the ingredients. Yes, you need 500 grams of flour, half tablespoon of baking powder, cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, pinch of salt, butter. You need 125 grams of butter. I think 2 eggs, sugar, 6 tablespoons of sugar. That is all. There is nothing else. For the milk, I told you the liquid, you need milk, liquid milk, 1.5 cup. That is all you need for this show. This is the best ever. So what I'm trying to do now is to use these 4 pieces to see if the oil is really ready. So right now you need to fry till you get that beautiful golden brown, and you remove it. So I'm okay with this. You see that golden brown, I will remove. So right now I will make a better a big one. Now I tried with 4 before, but I'm gonna be following the pan to make sure I fry in. See, it's very, very important you do it in a deep frying pan, because you don't need, if your oil is shallow, you will not get this round shape. That's another thing. So if you can see, as you can see, this my frying pan is a deep fryer. So you need a deep fryer. If you don't have a deep frying pan, please use a pot. I'm telling you, yeah, use a pot, so that you will not say, I made my own and it was flat, it was down, that is not coming up like your own. Please. And again, for the lighting, make sure your heat is on a medium heat, please. No, don't overdo. Don't, please. It's better that it's a bit lower than you over, as in cooking it fast and the inside will be very raw. So take your time. Don't forget, you need that pure golden brown. Take your time and make this one, and I believe you come back to thank me later. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive channel. Please, if you have been sending me text messages or questions and I've not been able to reply, please go to my new lifestyle channel and drop that question. I will answer you, because I don't have a lot of work doing there. But in this channel is a big channel, because I have a lot. I can answer up to 100 questions. I have more than to reach out to. Please reach out to me in my new channel, lifestyle channel, at Mrs. Progress Innocent channel, at Mrs. Progress Innocent. Just type Mrs. Progress Innocent channel, Mrs. Progress Innocent on YouTube. You will join my lifestyle channel. Ask me, bring your cake question, any question you want to ask, and I promise I will answer you there. So feel free to join this thing, because I'll be dropping videos back to back by God's grace, week by week, so you can see the outcome of that bun. This buns is ready. So you see, it's very, very easy. Like I told you, if you can do this in 15 minutes, you will be getting these buns out. My daughter was so excited. She said, Mommy, you're the champion. I'm giving you the champion. I will do this, I will do that, because she ate bun. Say, you are the best. So a lot of kudos to me today, because I gave her bun. So my dear, you have to make this. If not for business, you can make it for family. I assure you. See, this is a good deal for business, for birthday party. Instead of you thinking about going for puff puff, try these buns. A lot of people that tried it never come asking me to make puff puff again. They keep saying, I want that buns again. This is a game changer. So try it, and you come back to thank me later. So this is the last batch. For that 500 grams, you're getting a lot, I promise you. So I'm removing the final batch now. You will see the result. I have a lot. The pieces is much. I can't even count. So feel free to make yours, and your family would thank you, and you also come back to thank me later. Thanks a million for watching. Look at the outcome, so beautiful. Thanks for watching. Bye.